Joining me now in the B window booth here at the Indiana State Fair, I've got Theresa Darling and Ryan Sebree, and you guys are the ones from Michaelis that have to deal with the insurance companies. Is that right?
You are correct on that.
Yeah, and it's not fun. We had a picture here a little bit earlier of a waterfall that had come from the second floor to the first floor and had frozen. And it's one thing to get the pros from Michaelis out to fix it, but then you need a little bit of coaching to deal with your own insurance company. So what happens once the disaster happens? Where do you two step in as far as the insurance mitigation?
So what we do is we really try to help communicate the balance with the insurance agent. Maybe that's the referral source who's maybe
Right.
sent them to us, making sure that they know that we've been in contact with the client, we've taken care of the issue, the initial issue.
Right.
And then from there, part of that balance is also working with the adjuster on, okay, now that we have stabilized the situation, we're looking at the reconstruction, the rebuild. So what does that look like from this point moving
Well, let's get
forward?
right down to it. Insurance companies, they don't want to pay out any more than they have to, and yet you guys are seeing things. The initial analysis is, well, we don't have to pull the subfloor, but we're going to have to pull this, that, and the other, and then all of a sudden you get into it and you see wood rot, you see all this other stuff. Who helps with the argument? Because as a homeowner, I just know I'm pissed off.
Yeah.
What happens at that point?
Yeah, absolutely. So we doing it for so long, a lot of our estimators, the guys who are actually doing it out there, they really do a great job of seeing it, again, like a threefold relationship. It's the client we want to keep happy, the homeowner, the building owner, but the adjuster is instrumental in that. Now, while it is true, the cliche could be that the adjuster wants to give as little as possible, and because of the contract, yeah, that's absolutely true, but
I think they're fair. They want to be fair.
They want to be fair,
but
yes.
they don't want to go overboard.
Exactly. And I think we do a good job of making sure we aren't going overboard. We're communicating what the issue is. Okay, this is a potential issue. Let's talk about it now before it gets past where they want to go.
All right, Theresa, let's say that I have $50,000 worth of damage from a flood damage. Do I write the check, or does the insurance company write the check? How do we pay Michaelis, or how do we pay the contractor? Go ahead.
Oh, I was going to say, you'd actually write the check right to the insurance company.
Well, the insurance company, depending on the size of the loss, Denny.
Yeah, I'm going to write the deductible to somebody.
Exactly. But sometimes the payment from the insurance company goes directly to the client, and then they distribute the funds, depending on the size of it. But a lot of times it's directly funneled to us because we want to take that stress away from the client. They're already dealing with the house.
You want to, you can do that too, but you want to get paid, and that way, if it's made out to both, somebody has to sign. Then you can do it.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Yep.
Well, thanks for all you do. You've been busy, haven't you?
We've been very busy, and it's been a great change of pace. I've been in the insurance business for 13 and a half years, and this is probably the largest surge that I've seen as an agent. And now on this side of the
If you go to our Facebook page, my good buddy Greg Cooper from Berkshire Hathaway Realty sent us the picture, and it was literally from the second floor to the first floor, easily a 36-inch frozen column of water.
There's the
people
picture,
left, and if you see this, Teresa she's really frowning.
Was that vacant?
Yeah, that was a vacant
Yes.
home. We tell people, turn off your water. For goodness sakes, turn off your water, open up a little spigot. But
we've had several of those.
You know what? It's wintertime, and if it's 18 degrees below zero, this is what you're going to get.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ryan Sebree, Theresa Darling, thanks for joining us,
Thanks,
and give our best to everybody at Michaelis.
Absolutely. Thanks for all you do. Appreciate it.
There you go.